Dear students, in last video we have solved the problems related to substitution method for integration. In this video also we are going to solve the problems related to substitution method of integration. Students, the problems are quite difficult or complicated. They are not difficult, but by using the trigonometric formulae we have to decide what is the adjustment and then we have to solve. Okay students, so the problems are from exercise 3.2a, the question number 2. Okay, let us take an example, that is integration of tan raised to 5x with respect to x. So we can write this tan raised to 5x as tan raised to 3x into tan cube of x into tan square of x. Okay students, why we have converted like this? Because we know the relation between tan square and sec square, and we know that the differentiation of tan x is sec square of x, and that will make the easy substitution for us. Okay, so let tan square of x equal to sec square of x minus 1. Now our integration is, that is integration I equal to the integrand tan cube x into tan square x dx equal to tan cube of x and tan square of x, that is sec square of x minus 1. Put the value of tan square x from 1. And now we have this is tan cube x into sec square of x. Okay, and also take the integration separately. Minus integration of tan cube x into 1 is tan cube of x with respect to x. Okay students, so here now we can substitute here. For first term we can substitute. Okay, for first term we can substitute tan of x equal to t for first term, for the first term, or for second term also we can substitute. But for second term, first we have to write this tan cube x as a tan x into tan square x. Okay students, tan x into tan square of x. Why? Because also we can write this tan square x in terms of sec square x. Okay, and this is, that is minus tan x into tan square x is sec square x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, and now our integration is, that is I equal to integration of tan cube x into sec square x dx minus tan x into sec square x, and minus becomes plus integration of tan x with respect to x. Okay students, so now we have simplified all the first term and second term, and now at a time we can solve it. So we give the substitution for first term of integration, and for second term the same substitution is there, that is put tan x equal to t, and whatever is our substitution, that is if we put tan x equal to t, then differentiate this substitution, differentiate with respect to x. We will get differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and this is dt by dx. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get sec square x dx equal to dt. Okay students, so put this value in given integration. Okay, suppose in first term and second term of we can put the value. Okay, and now the integration is This is equal to integration I equal to tan cube x tan x equal to t, that is t raised to 3 sec square x dx is dt. This is dt. Minus tan x is t, sec square x dx is dt. And plus we know the integration of tan x directly, that is integration of tan x is log of sec x and plus constant of integration c. Okay students, so here the integration by using x raised to n formula, the value of n is 3, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that is t raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 minus t raised to 1, that is x raised to n t raised to 1 plus 1 upon t raised to 1 plus 1, t raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, and that is log of sec x plus c, and hence the integration I equal to, that is t raised to 4 upon 4 minus t square upon 2 plus log of sec x plus constant of integration c, and our final answer is, that means we substitute the value of t. What is the value of t? T is tan x, and that is tan of x raised to 4 upon 4 minus tan of x raised to 2 upon 2 plus log of sec x plus constant of integration c, and this is our final answer. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay, now the next problem is evaluate the integration that is cos raised to a the integration is that is sin raised to, evaluate the integration sin raised to 5x into cos raised to 8x with respect to x. Okay students, so here we can write this cos raised to 8x as it is, okay, and this sin raised to 5 we can write as sin square x into sin square x into sin x with respect to x. Okay students, why we have adjusted like this? Because if we substitute for the cos x, then we know that is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and sin x dx equal to dt, then the adjustment will be successful. According to that, we have adjusted sin raised to 5x in this way. And also by using sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, we can convert this sin square x in terms of directly cos square. Okay, so this sin square x we can convert into 1 minus cos square x. Okay students, so here our integration is now. Our integration, that is I equal to, that is cos raised to 8x, that is cos raised to 8x into sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into 1 minus cos square x and into sin x dx. Now simplify the bracket, we will get cos raised to 8x as it is, and now this is 1 into 1 is 1 minus cos square x is minus 2 cos square x and plus cos raised to 4x. Okay students, in this way we have simplified the bracket. Again simplify the bracket, we will get cos raised to 8x into 1 is cos raised to 8x minus 2 into cos raised to, that is 2, cos raised to 8 into cos raised to 2 is cos raised to 10x. Okay, and plus cos raised to 12x and sine of x dx. Okay students, in this way. Now we can substitute. What we can substitute? Substitute cos x equal to t. Substitute cos x equal to t. That is, put cos x equal to t and differentiate the substitution. We will get minus sin x equal to dt by dx. This implies minus sin x. This implies minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay, put this value. Suppose this is 1. Okay, this is 2 and this is 3. Put the value of 1 and 3 into, we will get that is integration I equal to cos x is t. Okay students, and that is equal to t raised to 8 minus 2 into t raised to 10 plus t raised to 12 and into sin x dx equal to dt, and therefore minus sin x dx equal to dt. This implies sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay students, take the negative sign outside and take the integration of each term separately. We will get integration of t raised to 8 with respect to t minus 2 as a constant, integration of t raised to 10 with respect to t plus integration of t raised to 12 with respect to t and plus constant of integration c. Okay students, now according to the formula, that is x raised to n formula, integration of x raised to n, the formula is that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay students, so here that is equal to t raised to 9 upon 9, the negative sign is outside, minus 2 into t raised to n plus 1, that is 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 11 plus t raised to 12 plus 1, that is 13 upon 13 and plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, we will get the answer is, that is integration I equal to minus sign outside, resubstitute the value of t is cos x, this cos x is t. Okay, that is cos raised to 9x upon 9 minus 2 into cos raised to 11x upon 11 plus cos raised to 13x upon 13 plus constant of integration c. Okay students, in this way this is the solution for given answer. The negative sign is outside, that's why the sign of that is into the bracket, that will get changes. Okay, now the next problem is that evaluate the integration of cos raised to 7x with respect to x. Okay students, so here cos raised to 7x, here this is the odd term for the cos x, and that's why now we can in last problem. So what we have done in last problem, so last problem we have converted cos x into cos square, then cos square we have converted in terms of 1 minus sin square, but here that is not possible because there is the odd power of cos x. But now we have to adjust this power of cos raised to 7x as like this, that is cos square x into cos square x into cos square x into cos x with respect to x. Cos raised to 6 into 1, 7 power. Okay students. So here this cos square x, that is now our integration I equal to cos raised to 7 cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Okay, cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. And now this cos x is as it is. Students, now we converted the problem in terms of sign, and now we will give substitution to sin x. After substituting sin x, the value of dx, that is cos x dx, will be dt, because sin x equal to t, then cos x dx will be dt. According to that, we have adjusted the terms. Okay, first solve the bracket. This is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin raised to 4x. Okay students, into another bracket, 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Cos x dx. Again solve the bracket, that is 1 minus sin square x. Now multiply with minus 2 sin square x, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2 sin square x, minus minus becomes plus 2 into sin square, that is sin raised to 4x. Now multiply with sin raised to 4x, that is plus sin raised to 4x. Sin raised to 4x into sin raised to 2, that is sin raised to 6x. And plus minus minus into cos x dx. Okay students, so here now put or substitute, that is sin of x equal to t, and therefore differentiate this substitution, we will get, differentiate with respect to x, we will get cos x equal to dt by dx, and hence cos x dx equal to dt. Put this value, that is cos x dx equal to dt, in above expression or integration I, and sin x equal to t. Okay, in this integration. Now integration I equal to, that is 1 minus sin x is t. First simplify the term students. 1 minus sin square minus 2 sin square is 3 sin square x. Then substitute. Okay students, 2 sin raised to 4 plus sin raised to 4, that is plus 3 sin raised to 4x, and minus sin raised to 6x, and into cos x dx. Okay, and now this is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus 2 sin square x. Okay, now this is equal to, this one will be as it is, minus 3 t square plus 3 t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6 with respect to t. Cos x dx is dt from here. Okay students, and now the integration, that is integration of 1 with respect to t minus 3 as a constant, integration of t square with respect to t, then plus 3 as a constant, integration of t raised to 4 with respect to t minus integration of t raised to 6 with respect to t. Okay students, and hence integration I equal to integration of 1 is t minus 3 as a constant, integration of t square is t raised to 3 upon 3 plus 3 as a constant, integration of t raised to 4 that is t raised to 5 upon 5 and minus t raised to 7 upon 7 plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t. Okay students, after putting the value of t we will get here that is equal to integration I equal to t is sin x, that is sin x minus 3 sin cube, 3 get cancelled and we will get that is sin raised to 3x plus 3 upon 5 t raised sin raised to 5x minus sin raised to 7x upon 7 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate the integration that is integration of sin raised to 6x upon sin of 10x into sin of 4x with respect to x. Okay students, we have to solve the problem. Okay, sin raised to 6x upon sin raised to 10x into sin raised to 4x. Okay, so by using the trigonometric formula, that is students, this sin raised to 6x we can convert into, that is sin of 6x we can convert as sin of 10x minus 4x. Okay, and this is by using formula sin of 6x we can convert in terms of sin of 10x minus 4x. And students, we know the formula for sin of a minus b. What is the formula? That is sin a, the formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. By using this formula we can convert, we can write sin of 6x equal to sin of 10x minus 4x, and this is equal to 10x is a and 4x is b, that is sin of 10x cos of 4x minus cos of 4x into sin of 10x. Okay students, and hence in the integration is I equal to, that is integration of sin of 6x upon sin of 10x into sin of 4x with respect to x. So express the numerator like this. Sin of 6x is sin of 10x into cos of 4x minus cos of 4x into sin of 10x upon sin of 10x into sin of 4x whole with respect to x. Now separate the terms, we will get integration of sin of 10x into cos of 4x upon sine of 10x into sine of 4x minus cos of 4x into sine of 10x upon sine of 10x into sine of 4x. Okay students, whole with respect to x. So here sine of 10x get cancelled in another term, that is cos of 4x, the term get cancelled. The term get cancelled here. Cos 4x, sin 10x, cos 4x. Here sin of 10x minus 4x, that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin 10x cos 4x minus cos 10x, please correct students, sin of 10x cos of 10x minus sin of 4x. This is sin of 4x. Please correct students. Sin of 10x cos of 4x. Here cos of 10x into sin of 4x. Sin of 4x. Please correct students. So here cos of 10x and this is sin of 4x. Please correct students. So here the sin of 4x term get cancelled and we will get, that is integration of, that is cos x upon sin x, that is cot of 4x with respect to x. Now take their integration separately. Cos of 10x upon sin of 10x, that is again, that is cot of 10x with respect to x. Okay students, now its integration is integration of, we know that the formula for integration of cot of x with respect to x is log of sin x. Okay, so here cot of 4x is log of sin of 4x. But see students, the 4x is again differentiable function and its differentiation of 4x is 4, and in case of integration divide it by 4. Minus cot of 10x is integration is log of sin of 10x. Again this 10x is differentiable function. Differentiation of 10x is 10, but in case of integration we divide by the integration. Okay, and plus constant of integration c. And students, this is the solution for given problem, that is integration of sin of 6x into sin of 10x sin of 4x. Okay, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate the integration. The next problem is that evaluate the integration of 3 raised to cos square x. The integration is that 3 raised to cos square x into sin of 2x with respect to x. Okay students, so in this problem we have to use, in this problem students, this is, the problem is 3 raised to cos square x. This is 3 raised to cos square x. Now let us take the problem in this way, 3 raised to cos square x into sin of 2x. In this way the problem is there. Okay students, so here if we substitute for the cos square x, see our integration R is 3 raised to cos square x into sin of 2x dx. Let us substitute, that is cos square x equal to t. Cos square x equal to t. This is our substitution. Now differentiate the substitution with respect to x. We will get differentiation of cos square x according to the power, that is 2 cos x, and this cos x is again differentiable function. That's why its differentiation is differentiation of into cos x with respect to x is dt by dx. Its differentiation is 2 cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x equal to dt by dx. Okay students, so we know that the formula, that is sine of 2x, the formula for sine of 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay students, the formula for sine of 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so here 2 sin x into cos x, this is by using formula, this is minus sign as it is sine of 2x equal to dt by dx. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get sine of 2x dx equal to dt with minus sign. Okay students, and now see our integration. So integration I equal to integration of 3 raised to cos square x, that is 3 raised to t, because cos square is t, and sine of 2x dx equal to dt, and that's why minus sine of 2x dx equal to minus dt. So take the minus sign outside and we will get 3 raised to t dt. Student, by using formula, that is by using integration of a raised to x with respect to x formula, that is a raised to x upon log of a plus constant of integration c, by using this formula we can integrate 3 raised to t. So integration of 3 raised to t is minus sign as it is 3 raised to t upon log of 3. Now resubstitute the value of t, and hence integration I equal to minus sign as it is 3 raised to cos square x, 3 raised to cos square x upon log of 3 plus constant of integration c. This is your answer. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problems. So from exercise 3.2 in question number 2, there are 17 problems, and out of 17 problems, the 4 or 5 problems are there. There is one another method. In next video I will explain you the method. But till the homework for you for this video is solve the problems again and again. At least 2 times you have to solve the same problems that I have solved in the video. Okay students.